everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are shooting yet another day in my life as an architect, as a budding entrepreneur, as an interior designer. So the main theme of today's vlog, it will revolve around pushing your boundaries. How you can really push your boundaries with design, how to convince your client for a design that is completely out of the box. And now I believe that it's very important for you to realize that there's so much of hard work, there's so much of effort and energy that goes behind a successful business organization. So yes, you really need to put in the work, be a part of my day, and I'll take you along my entire journey. Let's get this started. Good morning, everyone. So now we are headed to work, and I can already see my calls coming. Hello. Hello. Yes, Mahima, you are on speaker. Yeah, please tell.
Yeah, ma'am. When are you coming to the office?
I'll be there in around 5 minutes.
Yeah, okay. Because, ma'am, I wanted to discuss about the restaurant with you because the client is coming in some time.
Okay, fine. So what you all can just prepare in for the client presentation and also get in touch with the MEP guys. I want all of them there so that we can finalize and close this deal. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Bye. So as I was discussing, since as an entrepreneur you're just hegged up the entire day. Like today we have major client presentation. It's a prospective restaurant project and we have actually pushed our boundaries in that. We have worked upon totally different concepts, and I feel that if you're not able to make your client uncomfortable, do not push him out of his comfort zone, you're not doing justice to your work. So yeah, that would be a great tip for you all that really think out of the box and convince your client for that. So see you directly at work. Are we on the restaurant project? Please get all the MEP people in line. The client will be coming in. And today, guys, I want to see the concepts because today we are all about different concepts. You have to make the client maybe out of his comfort zone, bring him out of, but you have to put your vision in his mind. That's really important. Because otherwise, if you're not taking risk as an architect or interior designers, that means that you're not working very hard. Am I right, Diksha? Yeah. So yeah, let's head to the conference room. I hope everything is set. I want all of you to just get all your prints, all the inspiration that we have, because I think the amount of research that especially Harsh has done on this project, because he's leading this project. So I would really like to see that from your end, get all the prints and get ready with the presentation. They want to show that. Getting all the prints. All the prints, put all the PDFs and your CAD file. I want to CAD because we are going to discuss everything on that. Right? Simran, you are done with the interior aspect of that? Yes. Get the prints. जो भी हम डिस्कस करें, I need to know पहले कि आप एलिवेशन खोलें, फिर उससे आपकी प्लानिंग चेंज होगी. This project will be handled by me, not by sir. So you need to keep in touch with them for all the interiors. अगर आज if we supposingly select a classical elevation, make a lookbook of the house. देखो ना, मुझे तो personally बहुत अच्छा लगा. See, it is something which is everlasting. Right. Means firstly जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है इसमें, I think the height which these pillars will give na, it will make your house look huge. It will immediately make it look very grand. And अगर इस part की बात करें, ये blocking अपने आप में बहुत, it's really good. And what we can do is we can add jalis here. Simran जैसे हमने कशिश के घर में की थी ना, जाली add double height.
Can you show me the picture?
I'll show the picture. I'll have the exact night view also of Kashish. I'll just show that.
जाली नजर भी आएगी highlight.
मैं आपको भी दिखाती हूँ. डबल हाइट यहाँ से वो जाली पीछे से जगेगी. It will be backlit. Similarly ये जाली है, so ये भी पीछे से जग रही है. ये जाली भी पीछे से, मतलब all your jalis will be valid. Now you decide what, मतलब you want to go for this or that. But come on, like final
100%.
You don't want us to change this now. While we are designing at Space5, we believe that design is a process. We really need to look in for so much of inspiration. There's so much of hard work, research is there. Then you need to come up with different materials, different mood boards and concept before you can present the final thing to the client. So today the project that we are discussing, it has got a huge restaurant and a separate bakery to that. So I have assigned my teams. One is dedicated for the restaurant project and the other one is on the bakery. So let's see what they have in store for us. We'll be doing a project review super soon for that.
So as we were earlier discussing the site plan of this project, this is the parking and this is the central water body with escape areas. And when we enter the building, we have various levels. Okay, so this is a circular building, and we'll create it into the piers. These are the plans. This is the ground floor. This is the first floor, and this is the second floor, which are like sharing the vertical core and the toilets.
So concept behind this bakery. So here is the main entrance, and here it is rotating display unit. So we are basically inspired from the Art Deco. So Titisha, tell us the concept.
Alright, so the idea behind this whole bakery is that we're taking the inspiration from old historian.
Okay, so Mahima, Titisha, Simran, please present the design to me. I think you guys have worked on it, but last time as there were a few changes, as I told you, just here are the revisions that you have done.
I've changed in the site plan. I've changed the water body, and you said it to make it more interesting. So I have added the circular.
See, I like these curves. They are looking really good. They're blending well with your landscape, like the entire concept of the landscape. As because we wanted the form to merge with the landscape, and it should be very biophilic in nature. That's what that was what we decided.
Yeah.
I like it. I'm not saying it's not good. It's okay, but I think we can still redo the same. I'm not very satisfied with it. It's just okay. Yeah. Titisha, what do you have? Just come here and just reveal your.
So I worked on the interior aspect of the whole bakery.
Okay.
So I feel nowadays the rage is all about mixing the contemporary and vintage together.
Yes.
So I have taken inspiration from Parisian architecture, then there's Art Deco, and there's certain other architectural
Elements. But I want to know why these. So you're going
because
for
the architecture aspect that they have, they're like very monolithic.
monolithic
And
designs. Okay.
along with that, they mix curves. So
Yeah.
there's this feminism to it as well, and as well the
Okay, here I just want to cut
Sure,
it here.
yeah.
We'll not take the concept of feminism here. Why? Because you can't mix completely two different architectural styles. It would result in the kind of design you're looking in for has to be very unique.
Yeah.
So we'll just redo this zone once.
Right.
Let's come up with something good.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I don't like your design. It's not like that, but we can really do it better. We can really push our boundaries. Yeah, Titisha, just take a seat there. I'll just explain 2-3 things here. I don't want any of you to feel demotivated. See, failure is only there when you're trying new things. Failure is a part of it, right? But there's always a silver lining. So just dust yourself up and come up even stronger, and you can add so much value to our business. Am I right on this?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
What do you think? Like, I'm sure you're trying new things, you're failing, you're losing it up all, you're like, oh no, why is that I'm not able to come up with a good design? But I think success is always very brutal. It doesn't come to those who don't strive for it.
Yeah.
So we have wrapped up the project review. I am okay with that, the proposal that my team gave me, but I'm sure that if they strive harder for it, they can come up with something which is completely out of the box, because as a team they are more sophisticated, they are more focused and more organized from what they were before. now we are headed for the selection of marble and tiles for my upcoming project. So yes, see you directly at the site itself. हाँ यही वाली, so मुझे एग्जैक्टली ये दे दो, ये वाली भी दे दो और ये भी दे दो। ये हमारी डार्क वाली आ गई जो मैंने ये वाली सोची हुई थी, ठीक है। उसके बाद आ गई लाइट का कंट्रास्ट।
एक इनको ना वो दिखाना ग्लास।
तो मैं भी मटेरियल से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो रही। मैं यही सोच रही हूँ ना कि ये जो लाइटर वाला शेड है वो हम यही करें, लाइटर वाला जो अंडर नहीं।
एक आपके पास ये आ गई और एक आपके पास ये।
So today's vlog was all about putting in the work, all about lot of risk that we need to take in business, about failure and how you again come up more stronger with ideas that are very unique. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do leave in your comments below. I would love to know that what is that one thing which is inspiring you at this point of time, and let that be your fuel and fire. Thank you so much for watching. Tata.